All right, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can design, simple graphics with Canva.co. Okay, how you can Canva.com, how you can, design professional designs with Canva.com. Okay, as you can see, these are my previous design that I've designed on my YouTube channel. I've created a whole lot of designs. There are just a whole lot. I've designed a whole lot of designs, and these are all designs that are easy to do. So the best thing I love about Canva is that you can simply have an idea and just come over to templates, like you already have inbuilt templates. Okay, a whole lot of thousands of templates that you can easily just customize. So this is what I'll be showing you guys. Okay, so in order for us to, for example, we need a flyer for our business, or maybe we need a YouTube thumbnail. We need to know what exactly we are looking for. So for example, if I'm looking for a flyer, I'm just going to come over to this search bar right now. I want to design a flyer for my business, so I'm just going to type in flyer. Okay, as you can see, I typed in flyer. So, and I'm just going to click on enter. I'm going to search it, and it's going to give me Canva templates. Okay, so as you can see, these are all flyers that I can come over and easily customize for my business. So you can see this kind of flyers already customized. You can just pick anyone that you feel that, okay, I really love this design, then you can customize the design. Okay, as you can see this kind of flyers. You can see these are very, and all of them, they are customizable. You can easily customize them for your own particular design. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be designing a flyer for PayPal creation. Okay, so PayPal creation. So I'm going to be designing a flyer for that, and I'm going to be selecting a particular flyer right here in order for me to do that. So I'm just going to click on this now, for example. So, and let's just work with that. Then you click on customize this template. Click on customize this template. Okay, so there is free version of Canva Pro, and also there is paid version, in which the paid version will have you have access to a whole lot of features more than the free version. Okay, so you can see this is special promo, special offer, discounts up to, you can. Okay, so let us talk about the interface and all what these are used for. You see this particular button right below, use them to zoom in and zoom out, zoom in and zoom out. Okay, the design, in case you want to come over and like change the templates, you can see different templates right here related to what you are designing. You can see this type of templates, these are related, that you can just pick and choose. This is a laundry service. Okay, for example, maybe this particular one now is, maybe I'm giving special promo for my PayPal course or PayPal something. I'm just going to click on this and just make some edits, right? So for example, I want to tell people about my service. I can just add a page right here, then I click on this, and as you can see, so we can work with both designs actually. So let me just work with this particular one. Okay, now the next thing I need is PayPal logo, right? So I'm just going to come to elements. So elements here is where you can get a whole lot of elements as it sound. Okay, arrows, images, videos, you can get them. Okay, in fact, you can use this. I use these elements a lot when I'm editing videos. So I'll just come to elements and I'll type in whatever I'm looking for. Okay, maybe maybe a man thinking about something. I'll just type in a man thinking, maybe I need a b-roll or something. So you can see this is a graphics, this is image, this is video of a man thinking, and I can simply use that in my video editing. It also comes in handy, right? So you can see there are lots. You can come over here and click on graphics, then you can see there's just a whole bunch of them right there. You can see the photos also. You can see here there are just so much more you can actually just use, right? So we have videos also. You can actually select videos and you get a lot from that. Okay, so that's about elements. So if you want to add text onto the screen, so you can just come over here and you can just add any text you want to add onto the platform. You click on add a heading right here. You can see we now have a heading right here. You can just write anything you want to write. If you want to pick a template from here, like you don't want to be designing anything from scratch, then you can just come over here and click on any of these. Okay, and you can see just edit it directly like that. I'm just going to be deleting this and this. Okay, so we have upload in case you want to upload any images. So I already have PayPal logo uploaded here. You can search PayPal on Google and just download the picture from Google. Okay, you can download the picture from Google. Then I'm just going to click on this PayPal picture that I have right here. Then the next thing is for me to remove the background. I need to remove all this background, and thankfully Canva has that particular they have that particular feature. I'm just going to come over to edit image right here. Then you can see we have this BG remover. In case you are using the free version, so you will not be able to have access to this. Okay, there are a lot of things that you can do for images. As you can see right here, we can remove image, we can erase any part we don't want in an image, we can grab different images from each other, we can edit text from images, but I don't really love this one. So you can do all these things here, but the one I really use are these two ones. Maybe I don't want something, an image, I can easily erase it out. Okay, and also you can come over here, you can see the effects. You can add shadow to your image, you can blur some part of your image, you can autofocus, you can do face retouch, you can also choose mockups. Okay, these are image upscalers, colorizers. When you can change the color of your images. Okay, you can blend in different things. So it's something you can try out on your own and just figure out. But for the basic editing that I'll be showing you, I'm just going to come over to background remover right here, and it's just going to remove the background for me. As you can see, at just the tap of the button, the background is removed. So I'm not selling shoes, so I'm going to delete this particular shoe right here. So delete, and I'm going to put this here. So okay, that's good. Then I'm going to come over to edit image again. Then I can add a shadow to this particular image. Now, as you can see, we can do this backdrop of an image. This makes more sense. Okay, this makes more sense. Or you can just check it out and see which one you actually prefer, so that makes sense to you. Okay, so we can use any of these. I don't think we need this. Okay, let me delete that. I can enlarge this like that. Click on edit image. Okay, another thing you can do with image, you can flip your image. If you want to mirror your image, click on the flip. You can flip horizontal, you can flip vertical. You can see that. I just thought to show you guys that how that is done. Then also you can animate your image. That one will be like a video, but for the purpose of this video, I won't be going to animation because all we are doing is flyer, right? So special promo, discounts up to 40%. All right, so I don't need these two special promos here. Let me just edit this one on account script on PayPal account creation. Okay, then if you want to, these are the way you can edit this. This particular thing is to extend your text. As you can see, is to extend your text. Then if you come over to the edges, you can drag it and reduce the text size. You can do this manually also by coming over here. You can do this manually, as you can see. Also, you can drag it on the, I prefer dragging it on the screen, right? So on PayPal account creation. Okay, so the thing about graphic design is just about creativity. You just have to get creative, right? So it's about creativity. So the more you edit, the more you become more professional. Sometimes simplicity is king. you don't have to let a whole lot be on the screen while you are editing. Okay, so as you can see, these are my past designs. You can see how simple they are. Okay, so now you can click, you can put your number here. Okay, we don't need this cash on delivery. Okay, I'm going to delete that. If you have a website, you can put it there. You can just come over here and put your number. Okay, and just say message 080 blah blah blah. Let me just type in random numbers. Okay, so message that, then I'm going to extend this. Okay, this particular image, I'm just going to enlarge it also a bit, then make sure that's there. Okay, and then we are good to go. Okay, so I'm not liking this text. I can change the font. Okay, I can change the font. Actually, you can see once you click on here, you click on the text, then you come over here, you can change the fonts. Okay, we have different type of fonts that you can use. You can use Montserrat, so maybe semi bold Montserrat, okay, or even extra bold. Click on it again if it's saying that. Click on it, come over to Montserrat. Okay, come over here and click on the black. Okay, now it is very much more visible right now. Now I'm going to dial it down and bring it onto the screen. You can use this to drag it around also. So I'm going to drag it, or even you can get creative. Instead of saying on PayPal account creation, okay, off, since this is saying PayPal off, then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to delete this on, then I'm going to delete this PayPal. So is the pay is going to be for the PayPal, right? You get that? Off, this will be now be discount up to 40%. I'm going to enlarge that, enlarge this, PayPal. You get it? So that's just creativity. PayPal account creation. Okay, you can choose to underline it to make it, oh, that's not good. Let me just, you can, you know, use italics. You can see that makes sense. That makes much more sense. Okay, so now on your text, you can change the color of your text by coming here, and you know, you can change anything you want. Maybe we want it to be red, you want it to be this color. You can see this one is even much more coming out right now, so you can leave it that. Like, you can change different colors on your text right here. Then also you can align your text. Okay, you can align your text. If you want it to be in the middle, you want it to be like that. This is when you are using a whole lot of text, when text are, you know, there are a lot of text on the screen. Okay, for example, let me demonstrate it for you. If I'm just typing and I come down, I just type in, I come down, I type in, come down, type in. Now if you want to align your text, you can do it like this. Sorry, so you have to click outside, then click on it again, then you can now align it. You can see it is on the right side. You can choose the left side, you can choose the middle. So you can choose the middle, as you can see. So it's just as simple as that. If you don't want to, if you want to undo a particular action that you have performed, you want to undo it, you just click on Ctrl Z. It's Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. So you can see it's going back, Ctrl Z. It is now back. Or you just come over here, you can see undo, Ctrl Z, redo, Ctrl Shift Z. Okay, it's as simple as that. Okay, another thing you can do is you can add price. Okay, you can add prices to anything. So I think that's even much more. Or so what I can still do is come over and edit this image more. I can still edit this image, click on edit image, and I can just change the color of the image. Okay, let me show you how this mockup will actually work. Okay, so you can see this laptop or even this mug. If I click on the mug right now, okay, you can see now it is now showing, the PayPal is now showing on the mug. You can see it is showing on the mug. So it's something you can try out if you want to do branding for your what's it called, it's something you can charge for. Mockup, like you get different mockups. So maybe for your brand you have your logo. Okay, you can see clothes right here. You can just put in your image logo right here. For example, let me teach you how to do that. Let me just duplicate this one right here. Now you can click on this to duplicate image, and I'm going to delete all these, delete this. I'm just going to highlight and delete. Okay, then I'm going to bring in my, let me bring in one of my, let's just say I want to bring in one of my logos. If it is here, yep, it is here. Or let me choose this. Okay, then delete this. I want to show you how you can brand can do branding for someone on Canva and still make money off of that also. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is just to come over to edit image. Then I'm going to come over to background remover, and it's going to remove the background, right? The black background. Now the next thing I'm going to do is just to come over to mockups. Now I can select a t-shirt. Okay, you make sure you select on the image first. Now you can see now, because my background has my image as white, that's why we are not seeing the white one. So I'm just going to use the, let me Ctrl Z. Okay, we are going to use the black one actually. Okay, then click on it, edit image, background remover. Okay, mockup. Then you can select phone, you can select anything, but I just want to show you for this particular clothing. So as you can see, you can try it. You can try this also on your own. Okay, you can see there is even changing color. You can change the color of your shirt. I think that's the color of the shirt. Let me use green for example. Apply changes. You can see that. So you can try your hands out on it. I'm not an expert with coloring, but it's something you can try to do yourself and see. I've shown you how you can do that. Also, you can also draw. So you can draw anything you wish to draw on. Maybe you want to customize anything, you can do that. And you can change your pen the way you want them to be here. Okay, so you can change the colors, you can select the pens that you want to be using. Okay, then you can see. So that's that. I'm going to click Ctrl Z, and I'm going to come back to our main design. Okay, so that is that. I think we are done with, you can see now. So if I want to edit this image more, like I want the color to actually tally, okay, I can actually use this colorize effects. Okay, this is for image that doesn't have color before. So I'm going to come back, then come over to edit image again. Then I'm going to come over to filters. here I can actually filter my images. Click on see all. You can see this. We can change the color of, you can see this. Okay, these are the colors we can change into color pop. So depends on whatever goes along with your, so it depends. So in short, that's how you can edit and customize. I'm just showing you simple ways you can, customize your own design on Canva. So it's simple. Okay, as for this, so you can easily just come over here, change the name, change anything, change the images here. You can upload images or use the elements to drag in images onto this particular stuff right here. Let me show you example. Let me just delete this particular, nope, Ctrl Z. I'm not deleting that. I want to delete the image there. Now you can see it's telling me, should I delete the, once I click on delete, it says delete image or delete frame. You want to delete the image, not the frame. Okay, delete image. Then I'm going to bring in an image right here. Come over to element, then maybe drag in this. Okay, then I'm going to drag the image in onto the, you can see once I reach what's it called, inside the particular circle, it automatically puts it inside. That's how it will do. Then you drag this design on top of it back again. It's as simple as that. So that's how you put in your images. If you don't want any image, you can delete them. Then you can edit this also and add your own there. You can customize it easily. So it's as simple as that. That's everything you need to know about graphic design with Canva. Thank you. So before I go, I actually forget something. So if you want to export your design once you are done, you just come over to this share button right here. Okay, then you click on download. Okay, after you click on download, you will see this particular, all this. Then you want to select PNG. Okay, you click on it and select PNG or JPG, but PNG is best. That's for images. Then the next thing, if you want to download the transparent background, you can click on this. Okay, if you want to download the transparent background, maybe for example you are working with a design that you don't want background in it, but we want background in this particular one. Now it's sending you to select pages. If you want to export all your pages, then you leave it at all 3 pages. But if you don't, you select the page that you want to export. For example, me, I'm going to uncheck all pages 1 to 3, and I'm going to click on select current page 1. You can see current page 1. Then I'm going to click on done. That's the only thing I want to download. And after that, you can save the download settings and you click on download. Then it will start loading and it will automatically download onto your system. So everything I've explained right here, you can also do on your smartphone. It's just the same thing. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.